Okay, today we're going to check out a new foreclosure assignment I just received. This is a duplex in Pensacola. It's a brick, 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, I just got here and it's not been trashed out yet, so it will be, but you're going to see it with all the junk in there, the clothes, crap everywhere, stuff in the kitchen. I mean, they left it in, but just junk everywhere, but, we're going to check it out and kind of see what it looks like and what repairs and all the other kind of good stuff it needs. And should be a good property. Let's check it out. It's all brick. It does have some newer windows, though a couple of them are busted. It's got a dimensional shingled roof, though I have no idea of the age. You're going to see some sheetrock damage a little bit on the ceilings in 2 of the bedrooms. It's on the back side, so I don't know if this roof is after that or not. Can't tell. The drip edge looks pretty old. You've got chipping paint, probably a little bit of wood rot, but I mean, not bad at all. Okay, so here's your living room. I mean, of course you're gonna have to have paint. Here's your kitchen. I mean, disgusting. Oof. There's no carpet, all tile floors, which is a huge bonus. I mean, that's awesome. It's all electric, so you get no gas. Inside laundry, circuit panel. This unit has a much newer HVAC system, which is another nice bonus. So I mean, with this bedroom, all you need really is paint the walls and it's good to go. Alright, so this bedroom does have probably the most damage here in the ceiling. Now the humidity, it feels like 200% in here right now. It's hot, humid, muggy. So that's just getting worse with the mold, but it's not that bad. I mean, that stuff's easily fixed. Walls need paint, but I mean, not bad. You got to remember, you're seeing it really in the initial process, even before, really before even the bank sees the inside. Just got the property assignment so quick that the trash out crews haven't even been over here yet, but they will. They'll trash it out. They'll do a half-ass job mopping it, and like they always do. So this is the other unit, Unit B. More junk. Another kitchen that's been left in a mess. I mean, probably new countertops, but these cabinets don't look bad. They don't look like they're in bad shape. Probably could be easily just painted or whatever. This unit's got the older unit, so you just about got a plan to replace the HVAC in this unit. Oh, they left a ton of crap in this bathroom. I mean, nice bathroom, nice tile. Oh, I probably skipped the bathroom in the other unit. You'll notice the orange, I don't know if I can get it good enough here. Winterized stickers everywhere. So this property has been winterized. I've talked about this before in other videos about how every mortgage has a clause in it that allows the lenders to protect the property if they find the property deemed to be vacant or abandoned. And this is what will happen. Like this unit here, they'll come in, they'll rekey the back door. You'll never see them rekey the front. It's always a side door or back door, unless there's only one door, but they'll rekey the back side door, only one door. They'll come in, they'll winterize the property, but they won't touch anything else. They won't fix anything, they'll just prevent more damage is all. A lot of times they'll tarp the roof. I'm surprised they haven't on this one, which really drives me nuts, because when they do that, they ruin the roof. That happens all the time. I just can't tell enough on this one how old it is, but what we'll do is we'll pull up county records, go over them, see what we can find for permitting, see if there's anything recorded. Hopefully there is. At least give us a year, age of it, have an idea. But I mean, not bad. I mean, not a whole lot of work's got to be done to it, but you can see too. Here's the outside HVAC units. That one looks old as dirt. This one looks much newer. There's your busted window. But I mean, this is set up for somebody that wanted to live in part of the duplex and rent out the other one. I mean, this would work great. You do a lot to it. We don't have power in this unit, so we'll see what we can see here. But I mean, the tile job's real nice. These bathrooms don't need much. Okay. Now remember, this is not a pre-foreclosure. This is already bank owned, so the bank does own it. They do have legal possession of it. They just have not trashed it out yet. So that'll be coming.